research paper analysis. I am happy for us neural passing of Becquerel joy when winning for parents versus strangers. Aim, general aim, testing a new paradigms to make the neural correlates of Becquerel joys. General aim specific to examine the neural processing of Becquerel reward and it's dependent on a close target, mother-father, versus a distant target, stranger. Participants. Participants were 30. Amongst university students who had a father and mother living with an parent and stranger or Caucasian, they were all from Holland. Methodology. Participant fans underwent a test MRI. They were given €4 for participating. The data was collected through the COZAFMRI. Task examines the neural functions and they use the enclosures of other is self IOS scale to indicate about player or winning closet. They had to make one for the mother, the father, and the extender. They all use razor of interest ROI selection to look at neural activation patterns of the Becquerel reward for parents and extender. We perform ROI analysis of NICC nucleus accumbens. Result: activation of the ventral striatum when winning for oneself and comparable result when winning for mother. Greater difference at the level of whole brain between the goal of the father and mother, winning for parent versus not winning for parent exhibit a unique activation pattern in mental insights and social errors. Analysis. The study helps us to know our neural network with report the emotion, especially Becquerel joy and empathy. The importance for us psychologists to know these aspects to understand why the human being acts in a certain way in different situations in such an emotional way. What neural connections are what make us feel empathy and Becquerel joys. It would be interesting to carry out studies in different populations and specialty in different cultures, since each one such different roots. This study was in Europe, where people are less emotional than Latinos.